Have you been struggling getting that sticker off of its backing? Well, lucky for you, I'm here to help. I'll show you exactly how to make your stickers easier to peel for your customers. So let's get to it. First, I want to go over two important terms when it comes to cutting stickers: die cut and kiss cut. A die cut, when it comes to your paper that you're using, refers to when you cut through both the top adhesive sticky layer and the bottom backing layer. The kiss cut is when you cut through only the top adhesive layer of your sticker paper. So of course, die cuts are usually seen on individual stickers, and then you'll usually see kiss cuts on a sticker sheet. But I'm here to tell you, on your individual stickers, you can do both. Okay, these are two stickers that I made, and I want to show you that one is only die cut and one is both kiss cut and die cut. Now with the die cut one, it's just a little, it's not impossible. You'll be able to peel it, but it's going to take me a little bit longer. And this is my real honest try, guys. I'm not like, there we go. There, peel. And this is the kiss and die cut. And you can see here, you can just come here, or even on this side. Easy. Now let's show you how to do it. Open up your favorite cut and design software. I use Silhouette Studio because I own a Cameo 3, but I'm sure these same steps can be applied in both the Cricut software and the Caesar Juliet software. Those are the two I know that are most common, and I'm sure it can work in any other cutting software that you use. Now import your design that you want to cut out. I have my little cat logo here. And as you can see, our first cut line is appearing as a small red line here. And I like to have a little bit of a buffer of space between the actual design and the outside of the sticker. So in Silhouette Studio, I can come to offset. I already have the filled up. So I click on my design, I select it, and I hit offset. And here you can set the distance, how big or how small you want it to be. I like it at 65. And then you'll see that another red line appears. Now, this software can cut by color. So I changed this line to purple. It's just the color that I usually choose. You can pick any color that you want. And this is going to be our kiss cut line. And now we're going to add another offset, and this is going to be our die cut line. And let's change the color of that to green. Now that we're all set up, we can head over to our Send tab and click the Line tab, and you'll see all of our different colors. We don't want to use sketch. We want to cut. Oops. And we're just going to click off the red because we're not going to cut that line. And now let's select the kiss cut layer, our purple layer, and you'll see we can click on the settings that we want for it. I typically just go with the base settings for this, unless I'm cutting something thicker. Like I have a textured sticker that I offer, and I know the blade depth and force and the amount of passes I need are more than my typical laminate, like my typical Avery clear laminate or my holographic laminate. I know it needs more pressure, but for the basic, for those two, I can just use the presets here. Now for my die cut layer, I use 24s, blade depth 3, and passes 3. It probably could go with less force and less blade depth, but that's what gives me the cleanest peel. Right now, I'm using a standard sticky mat through my Cameo. Usually I use a light, but I notice with the standard, I need this much pressure and force to get a clean peel off, and that it doesn't have any kind of feathering along the edges of the sticker. And after you have all your settings set up, you can go ahead and send this to your cutter, and it'll cut it out. And this is the final result. I'll bring it a little closer so you guys can see and check it out. Easy, easy, easy to peel, dude. Easy. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helped you out, guys. Like and subscribe for more.